I did not pay full price for. I have saved best for last, you'll find me at the beach website, for £300. Obviously I did not pay £300 for these. Vintage Chanel has my heart. Managed to... Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel and another video. Today's video is a super exciting luxury designer haul. I have been dying to make this one because I absolutely love watching these and I love to see what people have bought, and I do love to have just that wee touch of luxury, because who doesn't? So can I just say before starting this video that every single piece in this haul I did not pay full price for. So yes, there's absolutely no way that I paid full price for these items. I did all get them in the sale, or I actually bought them on Vinted. If you don't know what Vinted is, I don't know where you've been hiding in a hole, but basically I guess it's like eBay in a sense, and like Depop, it's a place for people to sell their items. And actually a lot of the time the stuff has only been worn once or maybe a couple of times, or brand new with tags. And depending on what it is, you can get it for a really good price. And I do love to find myself just a little bargain. And I have not bought all of these items at once. I have purchased them over the past like couple of months, kind of throughout like winter sales. So I have quite a few goodies in here, all ranging from Vinted. We've got brands like Gold Sign, Rat and Boa, then got All Saints, what's it called? I've bought from Matches Fashion, we've got CELINE, we've got Jacquemus, Coach, Chanel, Bottega and Gucci. And I think that's it. So let's crack on with this haul because I know we're all here for the pieces. So first up in this haul, I purchased this item from Vinted, and it's these beautiful jeans from Gold Sign. Now these jeans are currently available on Selfridges website for £300. How disgusting is that price tag? Obviously I did not pay £300 for these. I picked these beautiful like very dark wash jeans from Gold Sign. These are the Peg jeans in Clyde, and size, I don't know. What size are these? Do they tell you? I forgot what size I picked them up in. These say they're a size 25. I'm not sure if that's a waist 25, but I picked them up in my size anyway. They're just this gorgeous straight leg pair of jeans, and the colour is Clyde, and whoever purchased these for 300 quid, they bought them from Essence online because we have the Essence tag in here. I know you're all dying to find out how much I paid for these, and you will not believe that I paid a mere £30 for these jeans. Obviously that doesn't include postage, so I think altogether they were like £35. But just how gorgeous are these? I love them. I love them so much for £30. From 300 to 30, and they're brand new with tags, like they've never been worn. This is why I love Vinted. Next, clothing wise, I picked up another gem on Vinted, and it's this gorgeous, I thought I had it back to front there. I picked up this gorgeous Rat and Boa zebra print dress, and oh, if you've never heard of Rat and Boa, I don't know how to describe them. They're just so gorgeous. Every single piece is obviously an investment. I love them. They're perfect for summer, holidays, like occasions. If you are wanting to treat yourself to a gorgeous dress, head over to Rat and Boa, or head over to Vinted like I did. So this is the second Rat and Boa dress I have in my wardrobe, and I absolutely love a zebra print. Anything black and white, zebra, I'm there for it. So this is the Allegra dress, and online on Rat and Boa's website this retails at £135. So yes, just a wee bit more expensive than your normal dress. But I picked her up for £36 on Vinted, and I think she was only worn once. And she was marked brand new but with the no tags, which I don't care. If it's £36, I'm having it. So this dress has the really cute tie knot detail just at the bottom there, and then the skirt downwards. I picked this up in a size small. This is just a mini dress. I'm really not doing her justice, but I will insert some pictures here from the website. I think this will look beautiful in the summer, and the fact that the material is like so stretchy. Like, look how much stretch she has. My bloated belly is just loving being in this dress already. Then I managed to grab myself a little All Saints bargain in the January sales. I am so happy. I love All Saints leather jackets. I have quite a few, but I do need to sell a couple just because I don't fit in them anymore. I'm definitely not as small as I used to be. So I picked up another gorgeous jacket. I picked up my all-time favourite biker jacket from All Saints, which is this fern white leather jacket. And like, if you live near an All Saints shop or have one already, you'll just appreciate the smell. I love the smell of an All Saints jacket. I know that sounds really weird. So I picked up this fern biker jacket in white, and I actually picked this up in a size UK 12 just so it was slightly a little bit oversized, just so I could fit like a jumper underneath. If you've never worn an All Saints jacket, like, I beg you, please go on Vinted, find one secondhand, because you will not regret it. So this jacket was actually originally £329. It was then marked down to £299 and then to £230, and I think I actually got it cheaper than £230. So I think I picked her up for around £150, which I am ecstatic about because I absolutely love this. I have different jackets in different colours, but I wanted like a white leather jacket just for the summer months and just to keep me nice and cozy. So honestly, loving her so much. Next, moving on to sunglasses. This is where you find out that I actually have a very unhealthy obsession with sunglasses, because I have managed to collect 4 sunglasses. And I don't know if anyone else does this, but I tend to pick up sunglasses in like November, December, January, just because obviously it's not summer, so they're usually around half price. So that's when I pick up my designer glasses, because I absolutely love sunglasses. So I don't know which one to start with. So we'll start off with our little Bottega moment here, and I loved these. I can't remember where I saw them, but when I saw them I knew I had to have them. So yes, their actual glasses case is a little bit like impractical just for the shape of it. It's like obviously it's a proper triangle. It's a triangle. It takes up actually a lot of room, so I actually tend to never take this case with it. I always pop it in another case. Top tip, Bottega. And I actually purchased these from Shade Station, and again I think I got these for half price. So these are the Bottega angle sunglasses in brown. I actually prefer brown sunglasses over any other colour just because I feel like they suit me more and the colour's not as harsh as black. But I absolutely love these sunglasses, and I love the cat eye effect. So originally these were £300 and I picked them up for a mere £160. Thank you very much. I'm very good at finding bargains. I love these, especially in summer, and if we have like, if we pretend to have like a little hair up moment in the sun. I just absolutely love these so much. I think they look so chic and the shape of them is timeless, so I can wear them again and again. Next pair of sunglasses come in this beautiful velvet, like midnight kind of blue colour. And if you know, you know. If you don't, it's Gucci. So I actually was gifted these for like my birthday and Christmas last year from my dad, because he always gets me something a little extra special. Look at these beauties. I love them. They're giving like old money vibes. And again, these are tortoiseshell colour with the Gucci horsebit logo at the side. They're big, but I love them. My hair is not working today, by the way. I just love these. I love big sunglasses because you can hide behind them. It's like the perfect excuse to say that you, oh sorry I didn't see you, that's why I didn't say hello. So these glasses don't actually have a name, but they're just from Gucci, and they are described as oversized frame with the horsebit detail. I absolutely love them. I just think like a nice luxurious pair of sunglasses does just elevate your outfit and make you feel just so much more special. I'm just a sucker for sunglasses. So next pair of sunglasses came from Luxe Collective. If you've not watched any of my videos before, you will know that I am obsessed with Luxe Collective. It's a brand that sells secondhand designer goods, and they upload new items like every day onto their website, and they've got sunglasses, jewellery, scarves, bags, clothes, shoes, men's, women's, you name it, honestly, they'll have it. So I managed to grab this really cute pair of Chanel sunglasses. Ooh, because who doesn't love Chanel? And obviously these are authentic and they do authenticate every single item that comes in. So if it's for sale on their website, it's authentic. I picked up these beautiful vintage style Chanel sunglasses in tortoiseshell brown again. Can you just tell I love the colour? I love these. I don't think they have a name. If it says vintage in the description, I mean, you've sold it to me. I have to have them. Now these look a bit weird on my face if I push it all the way up, but with these we have to wear them just on the very tip of our nose. Vintage Chanel has my heart. And to be honest, I don't know whose heart it doesn't have. I actually can't remember how much I actually paid for these. Maybe like 150, 160 maybe. And I love these so much. Giving old money vintage vibes. Next item I have been dying to show you. Look at this funky box it comes in. Have you ever seen a box quite like her? No, I didn't think so. And to be honest, I was very shocked when I opened up the parcel to see this box because I had no idea. But I purchased this next pair of sunglasses from Matches Fashion online, and honestly their experience is fantastic. So obviously inside comes your receipts and return label, but we won't be needing the return label. It says here that my parcel was packaged by Iona R. Don't think it says Lorna. No. Because that's not how you spell Lorna. I'm pretty sure I might be like slightly dyslexic, but my package was parceled by Iona R. Thank you very much. It's packaged very beautifully. So next pair of sunglasses I bought from Matches Fashion are CELINE sunglasses. And I love these so much. I have seen these all over Instagram and TikTok because they are the trendy CELINE sunglasses that literally I think everyone has been wearing. So I had to have them because I loved the shape of them, the style of them were just classic. So inside the box we have the sunglasses case. These are the beautiful CELINE Triomphe sunglasses in black. Just look at the shape of them. They are so classic and timeless, and I love these so much. Ugh, my hair and face are just not working for me today. Okay. But I like these glasses. I don't know if they do anything for me, but I love them so much. Like, can you imagine just sitting there in the summer with a little gin in the sun, either at home or abroad, preferably abroad. So yes, I picked these up from Matches Fashion and they actually have discount codes. I managed to find one that worked, so I did not pay the full price for these. I also think you just need a classic good pair of black sunglasses in your collection that goes with everything. So moving on to bags, I picked up another cult favourite of mine from Coach, and I actually remembered to click to be packaged in a box this time, so 1 out of 4 is not bad. Coach actually had a 50% off sale plus an extra 20% off if you added a code. How mad is that? I picked up this little pillow tabby. Now, to be honest, I'm not going to lie here, but the colour is completely different than what I thought it would be. I picked up the pillow tabby 18 in this like orangey colour. It's called Buttercup, and it's got the dark grey like hardware, and to be honest, I'm not actually loving, I don't know, the colour is almost like a must, like for me here looking at the viewfinder it looks slightly more orange on camera than it does in real life, but this is more of like a dark mustard with a slight bit of orange, and to be honest, that is not what I was looking for. I was looking for a cute little orange bag, but nonetheless she is very cute, and for 50% off plus 20%, who would complain? Inside is obviously just like all the other pillow tabby 18s, and if you haven't watched my last Coach bag, like 18 versus 26, then please go give it a watch if you want to see more in depth on this bag. I will leave the video linked below for you so you can easily find it. So to be honest, I think I actually might send her back. I'm actually going to send her back. I don't love her. There's no point of keeping her just because it was like 50 plus 20% off. So hello cute bag, but unfortunately we have to say goodbye because it's just not meant to be. I have saved best for last because I am that bitch. I'm making you all wait till the very end to see the absolute star of the show. I am internally screaming for this bag because it's something that I've wanted for like a year and a half now, and now she's mine. She is mine, and I'm so happy. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to this massive box from Matches Fashion. I am just so in love with this piece, and this box was very, very kindly and beautifully packaged by Nita. Thank you, Nita. I love the fact that they put names on it to say who packaged your parcel. Oh my god, I am in love. Woo. So this is from one of my favourite brands, and it's the biggest bag and biggest, like, hugest dust bags I've ever owned from them, and it's from Jacquemus. And if you're a Jacquemus fan, you'll probably know what this is, but if not, I'm going to show you anyway. So I have had my eye on this bag for a year and a half now, and I could only find two online. So one from Matches Fashion and another one from another website. Look! I managed to get my hands on this gorgeous Jacquemus Le Soleil Panier. I hope I didn't butcher that pronunciation. Basically, it's a basket bag, or if you want to translate the name of it, I think it's like sun bag. And I picked her up in this beautiful light tan colour, and I just think she is so gorgeous. And I decided to pick her up in the tan rather than the pink because tan is my colour, tan matches everything, and she is timeless. But I do think the pink one is very, very cute. So I picked her up for summer and any holidays. I've just figured out what the smell reminds me of. Oh my goodness, I can't say it, but I'm gonna have to say it. So obviously this bag is handmade from natural materials, and the straw, like, it smells like it's reminding me of being like really young and going horse riding. That's exactly what it smells like. This bag smells like a horse stable. It's not too overpowering, so I don't mind. This bag is super gorgeous, and she also comes with crossbody straps as well. Now unfortunately these are not detachable, these are just on there all the time. But if you don't want them, you can just tuck them into the bag like I had there, and she does look super adorable as well. Inside there is a wee clasp, and inside is literally just the basket bag. There is no wee pockets or anything inside, which is fine. Now, if you were going on holiday and you were a bit scared of like pickpockets, anything like that, maybe this bag is not for you, just because it does have that single clasp in the middle. Obviously people can fit their hands in that bit, and obviously I've just realised there was no pockets on the inside, but there is just a wee pocket in this front wee flap. I mean, it's not huge, but I am in love with her, and I cannot wait to wear her this year. This bag does come in different colours, but I just thought the tan was for me, and I can totally see myself wearing her. You'll find me at the beach. I'll have a porn star martini, thank you. Oh, we're just dreaming, aren't we? So yes, she is definitely my best buy yet from Matches Fashion, and again I managed to find a discount code as well. So that's it for this luxury designer haul. I hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you picked up anything from like the winter sales, anything that you're obsessed with, and subscribe already if you haven't, because you don't want to miss out on my videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.